Welcome to Deep Learn Hub. Today, we will guide you through the process of creating a Canva profile and designing a free logo. Open your web browser and type Canva into Google. Click on the Canva website URL to access the site. The Canva website will open. On the right side, click on the Sign Up button. A new window will appear, offering different sign-up options: Google, Facebook, email, or continue another way. In this tutorial, I'll choose Sign Up and continue with Google. Click to select your Google account. Choose the purpose for which you'll be using Canva. For instance, you can choose Student and check Professional Development, then click Continue. Congratulations! Your Canva profile is now created. You can use Canva for various purposes, including designing logos, whiteboards, banners, short videos, intros, outros, and more. To create a logo, start by clicking on the search bar, type logo, and press enter. You'll see a variety of logo templates. Some are premium, paid, and some are free. Click on the filter option to refine your search for the logo of your choice. At the bottom of the filter, select Free and click Apply. Choose the logo template you like and click on it. Click Customize this template, and a new window will open in your browser. Now, edit the template according to your requirements. For instance, you can change the text to Deep Learn Hub and add a slogan like Learn and Earn. On the left side, under the Elements option, you can select various graphic elements such as photos, videos, and more. Make your selections, and if needed, replace the old graphics with new ones, change colors, and adjust the object's position. Once you're satisfied with your logo, click on the Share button in the upper right corner, and then click Download. Choose the file type, either JPG or PNG. And click the Download button. Your logo is now ready and downloaded. Open it to check the final result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Deep Learn Hub, for more great content. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more informative videos and updates.